Alright, this is Starnes and Rufe Snow. We're going to go down to Kroger in Keller. We're going to use our crosswalks, just like we did across Rufe Snow. I think there's a pickup truck next to me there who didn't expect me to go when the crosswalk said I could go. But it's alright. Go! There's a truck turning, and he took off when I took off. But he let me go, and he turned behind me. That's alright. Yeah, we got to deal with these curb cutouts again. This is going to be almost the whole way. We're on the North Richland Hills side of Rufe Snow, which I think really all of Rufe Snow, as far as street and sidewalk is concerned, it all belongs to NRH or Keller. The other side is Watauga, but I don't think Watauga has the official jurisdiction over Rufe Snow. That driveway lets out right here. These curb cutouts, they do their part for vision impaired people, being a different color and different texture. But the way they angle toward Rufe Snow, a 4-lane road, that's kind of weird. Like right here, you'll see that angles me towards Rufe Snow. Then I cut back and back to the sidewalk. We've rode down Rufe Snow before. So you know we're coming up on the empty space next to the Waffle House. which is Watauga, still. So you know there's no sidewalk over there. I'm on this side today because I know what I want is on this side, and there's more sidewalk. Even though it's empty on both sides of Rufe Snow here, this empty side has a sidewalk. And no bike lane, so me and the pedestrian here will have to make arrangements. There's enough room. Oh, he's getting over too. Thank you. There's Bercy. We did Bercy in another video. That across the way there is that weird way that the bike lane crosses over the car travel lane. And there's no bike lane on this side of Bercy. You know, there's that wide shoulder situation again, which kind of acts like a bike lane, but it's not a bike lane. Oh, we got another pedestrian coming up Bercy. I mean, there are pedestrians around here. That sound is the crosswalk beeping. I mean, honestly, I've got opportunities to go, but I'm going to use the signals as intended. Unless it never lets me go, and then I'm just going to go. There we go. Yeah, I made it across before it started flashing. And now we're in Keller. So I've been through a little bit of Watauga, a little bit of North Richland Hills there where they border, and now we're in Keller. Just that quick. Potentially spam somebody else. So really we're going to Wild Birds Unlimited, if I didn't say. Kroger, that's what everybody knows is in this shopping center. There's a multi-use trail across Rufe Snow, kind of goes behind the Lowe's. I might take that on the way back. It's a long way home, but just to show riding around here, we'll go ride on that. Alright, I'm going to pass right here, so I don't want to ride through the whole Kroger parking lot. Looks like we're getting a gas station. Alright, this is where Wild Birds is, right up there. Alright, seen a few.